To set up data usage limit on the Realme GT 7 Pro, first let's open our settings. Then we can move to mobile network. Select data usage right here, and then we'll be able to find data usage limit. Now there's three options inside. First one is start calculating data usage from, and you can select the specific day of a month that you want it to be. Then you can change daily data usage limit as well as the monthly data usage limit. For both of them, the settings are literally almost the same. I think the only thing missing is data warning for daily data usage limit. So now let's focus on monthly one. Now when we enable it, we can enter the number of data that we want to use, switch between megabytes or gigabytes, change the behavior to send alert only or send alert and turn off our mobile data when we reach that limit, and we can also enable data warning to warn us that we're running out of that limit.